Brad Williams, Excel Prime. We have a calendar, January through February. We want to fill in every third month with something. How are we going to do it? In other words, using a calendar year, insert a number into each nth month. We have the columns. We have to determine March, we need to put something there, and then June, and then September and December. We've been using the mod function frequently. We can say if we can find a means to divide the third column by a set number, we could probably identify the third column. Here we have this if mod column. If it equals something divisible, give me this number, otherwise give me 0. That's exactly what this is doing. We have if mod. Mod is just looking for a divisor. If is looking for a logical test. Value of true, D4, otherwise 0. In other words, we need to find something true here. Go in here, and the best thing to do is look at this column deal. Column, because we have to identify the column. So hit F9. We have mod 1. What happens? Well, look here. We have this logical test. It's false. Why is it false? I'll tell you in a second. Here we have this logical test. F9. False. And then all of a sudden it's true. Go here. Logical test. F9. It's true. We need to identify the third row. Calendar year, insert a number into each nth month. Here is our nth month. So we want to insert something here. And what happens? We have mod. We have this column. Remember, we're looking for a column. We're looking for the third column. Column D8. Column D8. We're looking for that number. F9. We know we're in the fourth column, but we're looking for the third column. F9 gives us mod 3. What's the divisor of mod? It's 3 divided by 3. Therefore, we're going to get, we don't have a divisor. It's an evenly divisible number, right? What happens? It's true. If true, then D5. Put 72 in there. We go here, we do the same thing. Go here, column E5, E8, minus 1. We have 4. What does it say? If mod D5, the divisor, 4 divided by 3 is equal to 0, mod 4 divisor D5, does it equal 0? No. False. Mod, logical test, F9, true. What does mod do? Mod returns the divisor. If you're wondering why this turns to 0, what's the divisor of 3 divided by 3? It's 0. And that's what forces us to a true. F9, 3 divided by 3, and mod's going to turn this to a 0. 6 divided by 3 is 2, no divisor. If you want, just play around with this mod. This will provide the divisor. 1 minus 3 times integer, 1 divided by 3. 1 would be a column number. 3 is your divisor. Here we have column number 2, column number 3, and so on and so forth. Over here, you can read this. You can hit F9 until this is variable. So this is changing all the time, which is good. Just work through it. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.